This is Russ, and he owns this fancy plane behind. He's going to tell us a little about it. So Russ, tell us about your plane.
Yeah, Kerwin just asked how long I've had it.
Yeah.
I've had it now for 5 years, but my father owned it back in 1960 and 61.
Wow.
When we were living in Fairbanks, I was 5, and in 61 he wrecked it with a student. Then the airplane was repossessed and left the family in a cloud of dust in the back of a gravel on the back of a flatbed truck on the gravel dust of Fairbanks. And so I was writing my memoir in 2019. I got curious about the airplane and Googled it. Excuse me, and found out it was still registered. So I called the owner, and he said he'd gotten a hangar and a house, and the airplane came in pieces and parts in the hangar.
Wow.
And he said, if you want to, come get it. So I did. He gave it to me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I took it to Andy and Mark Anderson down in Missouri, and they spent the last 4.5 years restoring it. It looks better than it ever has.
Wow, it's beautiful. Now, which aircraft is it again?
This is a 1956 Luscombe AF. This is the prototype airplane for the new factory, Silvaire Aircraft Company in Fort Collins, Colorado. There were a total of 3 factories that made the Model 8. The last one was in Colorado. So it's the first airplane manufactured in the state of Colorado. Serial number S1 for Silvaire Aircraft Company. So it's a special airplane for 2 reasons. One, milestone for Luscombe because it is the first Colorado airplane. And my first airplane, be my last airplane, bookends on a 56-year air carrier.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So are you going to will it to someone?
Yes, my nephew is already in line to be the caretaker, so it should stay in the family.
Excellent, excellent. All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
Good talking to you.
Same here. Absolutely.
We've reproduced this thing so it looks exactly like it did in 1956.
Wow. This is impressive.
Ooh, watch your head. That's one of the things about a Luscombe, they're so small.
They're really tiny.
It's black and white photos. It's the same color that it was in 56. That's amazing. Andy Anderson, the principal, brought it up. Very awesome.
Just wiping it down. I'll try not to touch it.
Yeah, people can't resist. They come up and look, and it's like a magnet. They want to.
I know, because you can see yourself in it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. How did I shave this morning?
That's beautiful. Well, thanks again.
Hey.
Appreciate the tour.
Pleasure.